Hi, I'm Dr. John Hatch and welcome to Brain Rehab Clinic. Here you're going to experience a life-changing opportunity. Why? Because your brain controls everything. And as a doctor who is specialized in brain rehabilitation, my license as a chiropractor has pushed me into the field of neurology and understanding brain function and how to really not only assess it, fix it, treat it, but also make lasting changes that can make a difference in your life. Most people know, as trained as a functional neurologist or one that has done rehabilitation and studying in brain function, you'll hear a term called neuroplasticity. And Dr. Norman Deutsch coined a certain type of physician that one day would be a neuroplastician. And I would argue that I'm more that than anything else. Because what he's talking about is the ability to change brains. And can there be lasting change on that brain? Do I believe that's only specific to a chiropractor or other practitioners? No, I think it encompasses us all. So how are we all involved in every way, shape, or form in rehabbing brains and leaving that lasting change? This isn't a quick fix. That's why our clinic is called Brain Rehab. We're gonna do work here, but it will make all the difference in your life. And as you read and listen to the testimonials, you'll hear some testimonials from some of the top athletes and arguably best people in the world that proved neuroplasticity to the T and became believers of what it really takes to rehab a brain. And when you come here, you're not only going to have the information to see what part of your brain is not working, we do enough assessments of pre and post to see the brain changing so you can get the greatest outcome. So you can stop living in the dark wondering, why am I still suffering? People always ask me, what do you treat? Well, that kind of encompasses everything because I treat brain dysfunction. But are we really good at cases of concussions and misophonia and aging brain, anxiety, depression, chronic pain, chronic fatigue, migraines, autoimmunity, neuropathies, POTS? What do you want to assess? There are changes that can be made here at the clinic that will revolutionize your brain. And it's not just by one therapy, because we have an awesome tool called the gyrostem. Or we have electrical stem that's specific to assessing and rehabbing specific brain areas, or lasers that treat specific areas, or magna waves and electrical impulses. We encompass it all. We want to go after every aspect of your brain, so if we can find it, we can fix it. And finding it is my favorite part of this whole thing. That's why I developed and created and invented my own assessment tools. Are those tools already existing out there? Of course they are. But they're not attached with brain rehabilitation. They're not attached to specific brain exercises. So what to expect? And here's how it works here. You're gonna come in for a 5-day intense week so I can assess, reassess, reassess until I am satisfied that we are giving you the greatest care and the best brain exercises for your brain. No two brains are the same. So each day you're going to be assessing, you're going to be doing in-clinic therapies, and then we retest, and then you meet with me, as well as be giving a specific list and custom treatment plan of brain exercises and therapies you'll be doing at home. And then you do therapies and you retest, and we're constantly improving your brain. It is 1 week of boot camp, but it's the greatest thing that we can see that we're gonna be on the right track. And then it's up to you to maintain and keep doing the things that are asked of you. And then we follow up in a month to make sure the brain's changing. As mentioned before, Norman Deutsch neuroplasticity takes 3 months. So we're in this for the long haul, but that week gives me the right tools to get your change so you can stay motivated throughout that 3 months. And if it takes longer, we're never going to stop, so don't give up. We just got to find the right therapy for your brain. We look forward to seeing you, and your journey of life is about to begin.